In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use OneDrive step by step 2025. By the end, you'll feel confident navigating the OneDrive web interface, organizing your files, sharing securely, and keeping an eye on your storage. Start by opening OneDrive in your desktop browser and signing into your account. Once you're in, take a moment to notice the left sidebar. This is your main navigation. Click Home to get an overview of your OneDrive. Here, you'll typically see quick access to recent items and recommendations, which makes it easy to jump back into what you were working on. It's a handy place to start your day because it surfaces the files that matter most right now. Next, click My Files to view all your uploaded files and folders. Think of this as the backbone of your cloud storage. Everything you store lives here, and you can browse your folder structure just like you would on your computer. If you already have a system for naming and organizing, keep it consistent to make searching and sorting faster. When you're ready to add something new, go to the top bar and select the Create or Upload button. Choose Upload Files to pick one or more files from your computer. You'll see the upload progress, and once it completes, the files will appear in your current folder. If you need to start something from scratch or set up a new space for organization, click that same button. Select Create, and then choose the type of document or create a new folder. Give folders clear names so you can find things quickly later. Sharing is straightforward. Hover over any file and click Share. From there, you can copy a link to send through your preferred channel or enter the recipient's email address directly. Before sending, check the link settings to ensure you're granting the right permissions, like View or Edit, in line with your needs and your organization's policies. To keep track of your available space, click the Settings gear icon, go to Options, and then Manage Storage. Here, you'll see how much space you've used and what's taking up room, which helps you make informed decisions about archiving or reorganizing large items. If you want to see content that others have shared with you, click Shared in the left sidebar. This view brings all your shared collaborations together, so you won't lose track of important files. Finally, if something goes missing, click Recycle Bin in the left sidebar. This is where recently deleted files live temporarily, giving you a safety net to bring items back if they were removed by mistake. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.